There is some serious energy of commitment coming through from your person. They have been going through their spiritual awakening and they are finally seeing the connection from a higher perspective. Some of them have even come across to turn twin flame soulmate levels, and they are quite aware that the connection is a soul one. They know its purpose, and that has answered a lot of their questions too. Your person has never truly let you go, and they are finally seeing why. They feel a deep commitment to you, as if they have already been married to you at the soul level, and they can't escape fate. You are their person. You have always been their mirror, and they are now merging with you even more. First energetically and then physically will follow. Your person feels that they only want a family with you. They want their future to be shared with you and only you. They have taken time out. For some time out has lasted over a year, but they are working towards renewing this love, and the next step that they are talking involves celebrating your connection and honoring the promise their soul made before coming here. They have never wanted to leave your side, but they had things to learn on their own, karmic contracts to sort out, so had to kept away from all of that for a while. But there is no denying that what they feel for you transcends time, space, challenges and obstacles. They are longing for you so much. Your person is finding their voice and are freeing themselves from burdens, placing boundaries with those around them and ascending faster than ever. They could be dealing with different actionation symptoms. On the other hand, you are leading the way as always. As your person is being drawn to your light, you may also be picking up on your person's desires to communicate and to speak from their heart this time. Your person can't get you out of their head, so that's showing them they need to balance the scales in the connection, and they need to set things straight with you by speaking up and explaining what they have been doing during this separation. There is another chance of this connection, and the love that shared between you both is deepening and growing no matter where you both are at your life. We hope you are enjoying the content this far. By subscribing below, you will gain access to all our latest videos and stay updated with our channel.